Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's a very exciting video because I will be trying something for the first time. So today I will be doing tape-ins on myself. So my hair is wrapped right now because this is how I do it for bed. So it's wrapped like this, but I'm about to put it in like something properly. So these are the tape-ins that I got, guys. I don't know what I'm doing, so I don't want anybody to judge me. I basically got these from Amazon because I'm like, I want to actually order like proper tape-ins, but I don't want to order expensive ones and then spoil them. Not Yari drinking water in my video. God, no. Anyways, so I didn't want to order like I did not want to order expensive ones because again I don't want to spoil them with the fact that being that I don't know what to do. I did not want to order expensive ones and then I spoil them, so I just ordered some cheap ones from Amazon. It's still human hair, so I could still like flat iron it or do whatever to it. I don't know why I keep up my hair. For some reason I think my hair is 1B, but then it's not really like this color. It's a little, I ordered 1B from the same company. This is how this 1B looks, 20-inch 1B from Amazon. I'll link it down below. And then this is 1B again from the same company, but they have two different shades. I don't know, so I'm just gonna mix them, I guess, then it'll be fine. I don't know, but anyways, let me just start. And guys, remember, I don't know what I'm doing, so I don't want anybody to be like she's not doing it properly or none of that, because I don't know what I'm doing. So I think, oh my god, I don't know what to do. I think we're supposed to, let me go down a little bit. I think we're supposed to take out enough around our head corners. So I think I'm gonna take out like this much, or maybe a little bit. This much. Take out from our head top. So let me just measure it so you guys could see. So I took out this much up here. So I'm gonna just guys, so after parting out my hair like this, I'm just basically showing you guys that when you place the tape-ins, you should at least have half an inch of space in between. You don't want them to be too tight to your to each other. You don't want them to be placed closely beside each other. So Make sure to have a mirror because that's what I'm using to help me place the tap-ins at the back of my head. So yeah, have a mirror, position it properly so you can see the back of your head. You're going to take the white part off or the blue part. We're going to take the tape off and then you're going to go ahead and stick it your on your hair. You don't want to put it directly on your root. You want to maybe like 1/4 inch. You want to take it down a little bit. You don't want to place it directly on your root because you want it to be able to like move up and down if you're supposed to put it in a ponytail or just if you're supposed to be combing it out or anything, it's not really stuck to you. So the first one I did wasn't too sticky, so I realized that I had to go in and kind of press it down more on my head so it kind of takes up some of my natural hair, because that's what you're gonna tape in between the tape-ins, your natural hair. So you want to press it down, and whatever hair that's on it, that's the hair you're going to take, you're gonna tape and you're gonna make the sandwich with. I do it this way. I saw some people on YouTube doing it this way and I realized that this way actually works best. Well, I haven't tried the other way, but I like this way. This way is pretty easy. Where you do the top first and then the bottom part. So you place the top part, take up whatever hair that comes up with it, and then you're gonna go ahead and get a second piece to make the sandwich. Take off the tape and pretty much try your best to line it up with the first one that's on the top. So you don't want to put it too close to your hairline, not hairline. You don't want to put it too close to your root, but you don't want to put it too far off because you don't want it to seem like it's already growing out as well. But you want it to be comfortable enough to the point where you can move it up and down without feeling any tension on your hair. So right now I'm pretty much taking my time and I'm trying to size it up and measure it so it can be placed directly on the top half and the sandwich can be made properly without any interference with my natural hair or anything, or if it's not pulling or it's too tight so it doesn't cause breakage, because it can cause breakage to your hair. So as you can see, I'm able to put it up and down, so that one went in properly, and that was my first one doing ever. So now I'm gonna do a second one and I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, so for the second one I did the same thing. I took the tape off, placed it on my hair. You want to make sure you put space in between the first one and the second one. Then you're going to place it not too much on your root, but not too much away from your root. And you want to press it down so it takes up enough of your natural hair, and that when you flip it over you actually get some sort of hair on it. You don't want to take up too much, because just whatever that stick on it, you don't want to put in nothing extra, because then it won't be able to stick properly, because then the hair would have been interfering with it. So you don't want to take up too much. You want to take up only what is stuck to the tape itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it up. Like, you see how though that just now it had like extra hairs coming out? You don't want that. And you have to press it down. I don't know if all the tape-ins are like this, but the ones that I got, which are the ones from Amazon, it's like it's sticky but it's not too sticky, so you have to really press it down for it to like take up enough hair to do it. When I was just doing it the first time, I was like, oh my gosh, it's not gonna take up any hair because it's just losing its stickiness. Like, it's not working. But yeah, you're gonna do that, and then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna get your second piece and pretty much attach it to the top half and make your sandwich. It's nothing out of the like, I'm not gonna say out of the ordinary because this is not something you do on the regular, but it's not too hard. It's not too hard. Once you start doing it more, then you really get the hang of it, and then it becomes easier. But if you're not comfortable doing it yourself, please to let somebody help you do it. Okay,
because you don't want to break off your hair, you don't want to cause any damage to your hair, or because you didn't know exactly what you were doing. If you're not too comfortable doing it by yourself, please to get someone to do it. But yeah, that's the second one, and that one was placed a little bit better than the first, obviously because that it was my second one, so now I kind of got the hang of it. And as long as I'm able to put it up and down without it tugging on my hair, then it was placed properly. You don't want it to be too close to each other, and you don't want it to be close to your scalp. And that is pretty much it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pretty much fill out the rest of it on my in between my hair, and then I'll come back to you like if there's anything else that I need to say.
Yeah, I love you so down to nothing. It's been weeks now without talking. It is time you give me something, 'cause I've given. Oh my, I'm drowning in you crystallize. Oh, I feel you got me. So you spin the spiral again and again, but I see standing right off the top. So you lure me dancing like crazy. I wouldn't mind it. Oh, 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 oh,
Okay guys, so because I don't really have a lot, because I didn't realize my head was so big, I'm just trying to like make the parts a little bit bigger so I have enough for the front part, because this is literally all I have left, like one pack, and so this is all I have left, so I have to make it work. This is crazy. I wish I thought I would have had more, but I don't. So
yeah, I love you so down to nothing. It's been weeks now without talking. It is time you give me something.
So I'm just gonna have to do a middle part for like the rest of the section. I'm just gonna have to part it like down here. Like I'm gonna part a row to cover this track, and then I'm gonna add one more to this row. The good thing is my hair is like long enough to kind of help blend it out as well. That's a good part about it, but still, you know. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add one more to this this row, then I'm gonna part out the part that's gonna cover this row, and then I'm gonna do a middle part and just start doing it on the sides because I don't have enough. So it's gonna be a bootleg taping, but now that I know that I can do it, then I'm just gonna like order the proper ones. But right now we're like begging for little hair. what I have. I definitely needed more for the top part, but now that I know that I can actually do that myself, I will do it more and actually get more hair. But this is what I have. I'm gonna just straighten the front part a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna see if we can put it up in one.
Like crazy, yes, I wouldn't mind it.
Okay, so it definitely can go in one. Definitely, you would just have to, like, you know, use the hair to cover like the front part, but like, look, literally went up in one. So I did something. Anyways guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Like I said, next time when I'm doing it, I'll probably get the actual hair. I was literally just trying it. I did not know if I was able to do it, but now that I know, every time I straighten my hair, for sure I will be doing tape-ins. I won't be keeping them in for long just because I have like wig videos to do. If I could probably wrap it up to do my wigs, then for sure. But if I feel like it's not making my wigs as flat as possible, I will be taking them out. I bought the remover. I have it right here. So I have the remover, so when I'm actually taking it out, I will do a video on that and take them out on camera, just like how I put them in on camera. But anyways, this is the end. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Honestly guys, if I get, it depends on the views that I get on this video. If I get a lot of views, then I'll do a next one and probably try like different pattern with it. But this is like a very basic pattern. You can put it up, you can put it down. I'm not a professional. I don't recommend you doing it on yourself if you don't really know how to do it like me. Just always take a risk with my hair. But if you don't know how to do it, it's better you go to a professional and get them to do it. Don't follow me, right? But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one.